Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Commodity prices had an explosive week after the Russia-Ukraine war continued to escalate. The Bloomberg Commodity Index, a composite indicator of overall commodity prices, traded to its highest value since July 2014. Russia and Ukraine are among the world's largest global exporters of energy, grains, and metals. Energy comprises 30% of the Bloomberg Index, with both WTI crude oil and natural gas receiving 8% shares of the index value. Amidst growing concerns of Russian supply disruptions, WTI crude spot prices surged more than $20 per barrel, which calculates out to a 21% rise week over week. Spot natural gas prices rose 9.8% through Friday's trade. Refined products like RBOB and heating oil set decade-long highs alongside crude oil, although each make up a smaller weighting in the Bloomberg Index, about 4% combined. Grain prices comprise 23% of the Bloomberg Commodity Index, with corn and soybeans receiving a near 6% share each, and wheat is around 3%. Chicago wheat prices saw one of the largest moves across the entire commodity sector this week, trading several dollars per bushel higher, gaining 38%. Kansas City wheat was also higher by around 33%, reaching close to $12 per bushel, reminiscent of the 2008 price highs. Spot corn futures rallied nearly 90 cents, marking a 13% gain on the week. Soybeans traded only 4.5% higher this week, feeling some upward price pull from corn and wheat, which are more directly exposed to Russia-Ukraine risks. Adding things up, energy and grains are responsible for half of the Bloomberg Commodity Index. About 34% of the remaining index weight is put into industrial and precious metals, copper and aluminum, gold and silver, etc. Gold prices moved 4% higher this week, trading solidly above $1,900, but still ended the week down $100 per ounce from the highs in August 2020. In percent terms, gold is down about 6% from its highs. Silver remains down 15% from its highs. Copper, however, did make new all-time highs this week, moving almost 10% higher to settle just shy of $5 per pound. The smallest segment of the Bloomberg Commodity Index belongs to livestock, comprising about 5% weight across live cattle and lean hogs. The past 2 weeks have been the worst performance for live cattle futures since the pandemic sell-off in March 2020. April LC futures at 135.68 will settle Friday's trade at the 20-week spot price moving average, losing over $6 per hundredweight in the past 3 days. December LC futures will close the week down around 88 cents after a choppy trade. In the cash, Fed cattle traded in the north at $140 to $143 per hundredweight live, mostly steady to $3 softer than last week. Fed cattle also traded in the south at $140 live, which is a full $2 lower than that last week for that region. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com, become a member, and see the latest market news and analysis.